Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 31st, 2022. We are here to give you all a NEO stock prediction today because the market didn't work out. The last video that I did in NEO, let me zoom in on the chart. You guys can see that my expectations were for price to go higher in NEO, and it didn't pan out. Now, what does it mean? Well, obviously it means that the overall market in NEO is not bullish. And if that's the case, then we should not be bullish in the stock neither as of today. So now let me break this down, because when I did a video in NEO, the market was showing us that they were willing to buy the stock at these price levels. Now we got to give the market credit. Like, if it doesn't happen, we need to understand, all right, cool, let's clean off our hands and let's move on to the next play, because in all, these are only probabilistic chances that we're looking for price to move a certain direction. There's no guarantee. Now I can tell you from the price action in NEO right here, okay, that the market tried. We can give the market credit. Like, they tried to move the market higher in NEO, it just didn't pan out. Right here from the December the 5th, you guys can even see it on the 6th, the 8th of December, the 9th, even all the way on the 12th. The market tried to move higher, but there was just so much pressure from the sell side that they couldn't overcome it, and price fell down. That is why I gave us a support area in NEO down here around 1050. And again, the buyers tried to come into the market again during that time to keep the price from falling. Right there, December the 19th, the price held support at 1050, 20th, the 21st, even here on the 23rd, and on the 22nd. Like, we give the market credit. We can see where buyers were trying to hold price, but it just didn't work. And it will happen. So yeah, this price prediction didn't go according to plan, and it will happen. So right here on this particular day, December the 20th, I will say on December 27th, that is where the mentality of our thinking process needed to change. We now know for sure that the buyers are not in the market in NEO right now. They're not. So yeah, that wasn't a prediction that panned out, and it will happen. The only way that we can, that's the cost of doing business in the markets, is that you're not going to be 100% correct. We already were prepared for it though. So now, since the buyers didn't confirm that they're willing to buy NEO, then obviously we need to be thinking that sellers are controlling the market in NEO. That is what we're going to do now, preferably because we even saw price break this trend line. The market action, the buyers could not hold this ascending line neither. So I'm just showing you price action. That's it. So we need to be bearish in at NEO, or at best say that price is not going to trend higher right now. And again, we know that sellers are controlling the price in NEO. So why would we come in and try to be bullish when we now get confirmation continually that the market action in NEO is in a downtrend? So that is the first thing that we're going to talk about. We're weak. The stock in NEO is weak. What can we say? Price goes up, price goes down. The only thing that we can do is get in position and try to capitalize on the next biased price move. So let's start out long term. So let's look at this chart in NEO on a 12 months chart real quick. And I want to show you that I know that people were pumping NEO stock all of 2021, most of 2022, saying that NEO stock is going to be $100 by the end of this year. And here it is at $9.75. That is why you don't pay attention to individuals. You pay attention to the price chart, which I've been showing you all since like 2019 on this particular channel. I've been doing it in cryptocurrency since like 2017, and all of the videos are still available. Take a look. NEO is down 69% for the last 12 months. Okay. Now, 6 months. Let's see how weak the price is in NEO. It's still weak. Market is down 55% over the last 6 months. Now we need to try to garner and position ourselves to see where market lows can be. And again, many people didn't think that NEO will even be below $10 today. So for us to even say, hey, NEO might even fall down to $5, is that doable? Of course it is. Yes, NEO could fall all the way back down to $5, especially on the 12 months basis. 6 months chart, we're seeing it. Even here on a 3 months chart, we're seeing it. One of the negative things that I don't like in NEO, if I was going to be a buyer in the market, was for us to see the market at least hold these tops when price was coming down, and it didn't do it. Right? The market didn't hold $14.50 here. Market didn't even hold the top of this 3 months price bar. It did here on this 3 months in April, but now we're trading back below it. That all of this is weakness. Like, I don't understand why people would try to tell you that a stock is a buy and that you would dollar cost average in on these moves to the downside. This is where the market currently is finding support in NEO, right there around $8. Do you think that's going to hold? Well, like I said, it's going to be around $6. I would say $6 to like $5.50. It's going to be the next area that we can see the market in NEO come all the way down towards. Okay. So from a long-term basis, yes, I'm looking for NEO to go down. Short term doesn't mean that there won't be a couple of days to where we can see the market go up 5%, 10%, but it doesn't mean that you need to hold on to it, because we're definitely entrenched in this massive downturn in NEO. All right. So let me zoom over here to the left side of the chart. I really want us to pinpoint how low the market could go in NEO. So yeah, I'm looking around $5.50, $6 first for NEO. For the long term. So I'm gonna hold that line there. And let me see this on the hourly chart, because we may actually see a small bump to the upside in NEO. Look at this on a 9-hour chart. Yeah, because the only way that we would see the market in NEO run higher is because of this area right here. So we might see the market run down to around $9 and then get another bump, move higher. But again, I'm not bullish in the market in NEO though. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to play the weakness into the market in NEO. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Now this is, I would say this price prediction is from a daily to a weekly time frame. Okay. Daily to a weekly time frame. First price target is going to be here around $9.25. So you can see it's only 4.83%. I get it. I want us to understand that there's price levels to where the market is positioned to either buy or sell. And right there around $9.25 is where I presume the buyers are there positioned willing to buy NEO. That's my first price target. $9 would be my second one, which is 7.6%. And look at this. My third one, which is long term, is all the way down around $5 to $6 long term. You guys can see that's like another 40% move to the downside from where NEO currently is trading. And the ultimate resistance area is going to be around 12. So I'm going to be weak in the market in NEO until we see price, for one, break outside of this downtrend line, and then two, as long as if we see the market break $12 to the upside, then I will become a little bit more bullish in this stock's price action. But until then, this is what I'm going to look forward to. Now, you don't have to, but I'm just simply showing you what the market is telling me off of the price action as to what's really going on in this stock's price. As always, I leave the comment section open so you guys can drop your price prediction as to what you think NEO is going to do as we go into the next couple of months. I would say 3 to 6 months out. What do you think the price is going to be? For me, this is what I'm thinking as of right now. As always, as the market gives us more information, we could change. There's nothing wrong with changing your prediction. You don't have to be gung-ho in being a buyer. You don't have to be gung-ho in being a seller. We have the option of switching our mentality as long as situations change. It's all about probabilities. And right now, the market definitely is telling us that the greatest chance of where price is going to go as of right now is to the downside. It's just that simple. So hit me up and let me know. Hit the like button as well. Make sure you maintain the profitability and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you all later.